Good morning! Gusto ko lang pong batiin ng happy birthday si Miss Annalyn Talosa. Hi sis! Sana enjoy ka sa birthday mo ngayon. More successful, more happiness, good health. Ano pa ba? Basta sana masaya ka sa birthday mo ngayon. At alam ko naman na super bait mo sis. At ikaw ang napakaganda at chinita sa ating ano pa ba sasabihin ko? Nabablock ako sis. Salamat nga pala sis sa lagi mong pagtulong sa akin. Pag meron akong mga hindi alam sa YouTube, pag tinanong kita, ikaw laging nandyan. Sis, salamat. Lagi kang nakagabay sa akin. Sana hindi ka magbago. Sana yung relation natin sa team lumawak pa. At basta sis, enjoy life. Kilay is life. Enjoy ka lang sa birthday mo sis. Basta I love you sis. At nagpapasalamat ako na naging kaibigan kita, naging ka-GC kita, na nag-guide sa akin sis. Happy birthday sis! Yun lang masasabi ko sa'yo. Basta I love you sis. Alam ko naman na nasa iyo na lahat. Sana maging successful ka sa pagiging vlogger mo sis. I love you sis! Shoutout sa mga ka-team ko. Bye-bye! I love you sis!
Hi, Miss Annalyn Talosa! Happy birthday po sa inyo! So today is your birthday. Of course, your birthday today. So, of course, enjoy mo lang yung celebration mo ngayon kasi pagkabukas, mag-whitey ka na naman, no? So, busy na naman. So, enjoy mo lang ngayon. Kalimutan mo na yung whitey ngayon para ma-enjoy mo ang inyong celebration. So, I wish you good health. Stay young, pretty, and sexy. Happy birthday po. So, congrats po kasi parang on the way ka na kay Monica. Moni pala. So, that's all for today. So, thanks for the invitation. So, thank you so much. From Pelongski Forever po. Okay, bye-bye!
Hello sa aking kumare, si Annalyn Talosa Vlog. I just want to wish you happy birthday. Mare, salamat kasi nakilala kita dahil sa'yo, nakilala ko si Team Friendship kasi Team Superstar. And congratulations kasi 1K na yung banana mo. Stay connected. Always keep safe. Ingat at salamat sa mga banding natin. Happy birthday sis. Ingat lagi. Bye-bye.
Si Annalyn Talosa Vlog. Ayan. Today is your birthday. Thank you so much for inviting me to make birthday greetings for you. So, a happy birthday. And enjoy your day. And, I wish you all your best. And, I wish you good health and more blessings to come and more birthdays to come. Mare, ayan. So, nagkaroon ako ng kumare dahil sa YT Gold. Ayan. So, thank you so much also for your very supporting on my, in my video and my channel. You always did support it. Thank you so much. And, yan. So, enjoy mo lang, Sisi, your day. Today is your birthday. So, and also, I congratulate you to your banana. So, you reached 1,000 subscribers on your banana. I hopefully you reach the 4,000 watch hour on your channel. So, enjoy mo lang, Sisi. And once again, happy birthday to you. And good luck. Ayan. Happy birthday. I love you, Kumari. Bye!
Tribo Palawenyo TV. Gusto ko sanang batiin ng maligayang kaarawan si Lods Annalyn Talosa. Sana maging healthy ka palagi para sa pamilya mo. At continue mo lang yung pag-vlog. Dahil dito kami palagi nakasupport sa mga videos mo. At palaging igabay ka ni Lord na anong mga plano mo sa buhay. Sana lang hindi magbabago yung ugali mo. Kung ano ka ngayon, yun na yun hanggang sa hindi na magbabago. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa channel ni Annalyn, i-search ko lang ang Annalyn Talosa Vlog at i-subscribe niyo po siya. Yun lang po. Happy birthday ulit from Tribo Palawinyo TV. God bless you.
Hello, Annalyn. Happy birthday. Nag-break talaga ako to make a greetings for you and congratulations for your YouTube channel. So, umaangat na and congratulations for all the efforts and happy birthday as you celebrate another year of enjoyment. Though we are having this pandemic, we are still given the chance by our Almighty to be safe. At the same time, improve your cooking skills. I kept on watching on your vlog about cooking, and it helps a lot of mga mama and mga mommy to prepare food for their family. So congratulations and keep going. Keep going and keep on sharing about your skills in cooking so that you can help others in improving their cooking skills. And together with my Hershey, so happy birthday and congratulations on your YouTube.
Hi, Sis Annalyn. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. I wish you all the best, of course, like any other people who are close to your family, relatives, friends, and loved ones. We always wish you good health as always. And what else should I say? Yun, mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. That's it.
Hi loves! Annalyn Talosa Vlog. So ayan, happy birthday sa'yo Annalyn. And thank you for being supportive sa ating team, sa ating team Superstar. And ayan, lagi ka lang maging supportive. And of course, andito kaming lahat para mag-support sa'yo until maging monetize ang iyong channel. Ayan, and ang wish ko sa'yo is more health and mag-grow pa ang iyong channel. Ayan, at saka maging monetize na yung channel mo. Tulungan ka namin, of course. And ayun, keep safe dyan sa Pilipinas. And more blessings and more good friends, true friends here in YouTube world. And ayan, enjoy mo yung araw na to. And happy birthday again, loves. Ayan. Mwah!
Hello, loves! Annalyn Talosa. Ayan, so, pasensya ka na kasi naka-makeup ako, hindi naman ako ready. Hindi, kasi nag-tiktok ako ng transition, so hindi ko na siya binura. And gumawa na rin ako ng birthday greetings para sa'yo. Kasi may humingi din. Siyempre, sinabay ko na. Siyempre, naka-makeup ako. Ayan, so ano nga ba? Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Good luck sa channel mo. Sana mag-grow, and laban lang. Huwag kang susuko. Kailangan mo pa rin upload para maabot mo yung requirements ni YouTube. So, ayan.
Annalyn Talosa, happy birthday to you. Wish ko good health and more blessings to come. Team Superstar tayo. Tuloy mo lang ang pagiging YouTuber. Malay mo, balang araw, maging viral, di ba? Enjoy lang. Enjoy mo lang. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your more blessing and happy birthday again. Ingat kayo dyan and God bless you. Happy birthday. Kakantahan pala guys. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Annalyn Talosa. Happy birthday! Love you!
Hi Annalyn, just taking the time off to say happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope all your wishes come true. Take care always, stay safe always, God bless, enjoy your day. From myself and Smile and Jackson. Take care, God bless, happy birthday, enjoy.
My name is Miss Rose Cruz. Nandito po ako ngayon para i-greet po ng happy birthday si Annalyn Talosa Vlog. So, more birthdays to come. God bless. More power sa iyong YouTube channel, career. Pagbutihin mo lang, be, yung mga ginagawa mong magaganda. Ang galing-galing mong magluto. So, ipagpatuloy mo lang yan. And, of course, good health and more power. Happy birthday from Miss Rose Cruz. Sa hindi pa nag-subscribe kay Miss Rose Cruz, please subscribe Miss Rose Cruz and click the bell button below para updated po kayo sa aking mga gagawin pa. So once again, happy birthday Annalyn Talosa Vlog. Bye! Nandito po tayo ngayon sa may likuran ko is yung Mawan Bridge po dito sa Hong Kong. So ayan po, dito tayo. So happy birthday Annalyn Talosa Vlog. Bye!
Hello sis, happy birthday. Wish you all the best and thank you so much for being one of my friends sa YT World natin. Thank you so much kasi nagkakilala tayo kahit sa YT World lang. At least may communication din tayo. Wish you all the best, Sisi, and God bless sa channel mo po. More viewers, more subscribers, and more revenue to come. Wish you all the best, Sisi, Annalyn Talosa. Thank you so much, and God bless. Sana huwag ka pong magsawa na mag-support din sa akin, and I will support you all the way, Sisi. Thank you so much, and God bless. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sis Annalyn Talosa. God bless po.
Hello, Annalyn Talosa Vlog. Ayan, happy birthday, Kapsat. More blessings to come and hope ma-monetize ka na. And ayun, keep uploading lang sa iyong channel. And more subscribers to come. And ayan, see you soon. May kantono pa, birthday ko. Charot. And happy birthday. God bless you.
Hi, Sis Annalyn. Happy birthday sa'yo, Kapsat. More birthdays to come. God bless. Ingat ka parate. And thank you at pinaunlakan mo akong magbigay ng birthday greeting sa'yo. Kahit kailan pa lang tayo nagkakakilala, magaan ng loob ko sa'yo, Kapsat. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Mwah.